Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Mizocom. Today's video is about Kelly Khumalo and Adam Afogade. Couple of days, it was a Valentine Day. Lot of people revealed their relationship. Kelly posted her picture with Adam Afogade on social media, captioning "Isazozala Ritsotsi" as a sloganist. I don't know the meaning of the caption, guys, because Tsotsi, as I know, is a tongue. That means the tongue that going to separate them not yet been born. On Let Senzo Meyiwa's side, heartbroken Senzo's mother expressed her anguish, questioning how Kelly could move on happily while justice for Senzo remained unsolved. "You are happy, yet you kill my son," she reported angrily, breaking down in sorrow. Yeah, some comment are happy for them, some are not. Some said it can't be relationship. Maybe there is a hot hit coming soon. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.